Hi guys, come spend the day with us as we go to IKEA Mall in Pasay City. Going here, we just took a grab and binaba naman kami mismo sa entrance ng mall. We then take the escalator so we can go to the upper floors. Ang purpose talaga namin dito sa pagpunta sa IKEA Mall is makita yung showrooms nila. Pag akyat mo, makikita mo agad yung Swedish Cafe. And then, lakad ka lang konti and makikita mo na yung checkout counters ng IKEA. I think those are the furniture section. And the showroom is sa taas pa pala. So yung elevator na yan, dyan kami sumakay papunta sa showroom sa taas. If you're planning your future house or just love aesthetic spaces like me, stay until the end because I'll show you some ideas you can actually recreate at home. So ayan, nag-elevator na kami and papunta na tayo sa showroom. They have 9 showrooms and puntahan natin yung unang showroom na bumungad sa amin. This is the first showroom and what immediately stands out is how clean and minimal everything looks. The white cabinets paired with the dark countertop give it that modern, classy feel. It's simple but also not boring. I also love how they styled the countertop. Honestly, everything looks so good. What do you think about this kitchen? Now let's move to the next part, which is the dining table. Now this setup feels warm and inviting right away. You can see a complete dining area styled to look like a real home, not just a display. Moving at the back, there's a long console table with a mirror framed with a wall art. It creates a clean but elegant look, and the decorations are minimal, just enough to make it feel styled without being cluttered. This kitchen area has such a clean and cozy setup, with white cabinets paired with warm wood countertops and soft lighting underneath. I really like how everything is organized and displayed. The appliances and kitchen essentials are arranged neatly, making it easy to imagine how the whole setup could look in an actual home. There's also a dining area beside the kitchen, showing you how you can maximize a small space by keeping everything within the same area. Overall, this display has that simple Scandinavian-inspired look, bright, practical, warm, and very easy to recreate even in a small space. Now let's move on into our next living room area. These deep blue sofas immediately give the space a warm and comfortable feel, while the mix of patterned and checkered cushions add a little personality to it. Here's another inspiration for your dining area as well. Now this next showroom is actually an eye candy. I like how the way they styled this room because it's warm, inviting, and spacious. There's a lot more showrooms to show, guys, so I'll just have you enjoy the rest of it. Okay, now I think we're down to our last two showrooms, and now we're heading to the main IKEA mall where you can literally find almost everything you need to make your house feel more like a home. From furniture and kitchen essentials to home decor, storage, lighting, and those little things you didn't even know you needed. There's so much more to explore, and trust me, you'll want to see what's inside. Follow for the next video because I'm taking you around the main IKEA mall and showing you everything you can find in there.